book is It's Really Cold Outside by Harriet Seifert. I'm Really Bird. I live in a big city park. Today it's really cold outside. Hi, Really Bird. Are you ready to come outside and throw snowballs? I don't want to go outside. Why won't you come outside? I'm not dressed for a cold and snowy day. What do you need? I need my hat and I need my scarf. So get what you need. Get your hat and your scarf. I don't like waiting. Me neither. Okay, I have all my stuff. You need to put it on. Hurry up! We're waiting for you. I really like fresh snow. I really don't like snow. I like warm weather. It's too cold outside for me. I like eating snow. Me too. I don't like eating snow. It's too cold. I like throwing snowballs. I like throwing them too. I don't like throwing snowballs. I'm not really good at throwing. I am not happy. What will make you a happy bird? I will be happy if we all play inside. Okay, we'll go inside. Scarf off, hat off. What can we do in here? We can build. We can build a fort. But we can't build a snow fort. We can count icicles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But we can't lick them. I have an idea that will make all of us happy. What's your idea? Tell us. I will stay inside. You go outside. And what? The two of you can build a snowman. I'm out the door. Me too. Close the door. Close it fast. I'm freezing. This is not easy. I wish you were here to help. Sorry. We're here to help. I'm here too. I'm good at building. Really good. I'll help you too. The snowman can wear my scarf, my hat, and these mittens. Give me your stuff. Yay! Cat, are you happy now? Yes, I'm a happy cat. Pup, are you? I'm a happy pup. But really, Bird, it's cold outside. So come on in. I'm ready to play. What should we play? We should play ball. Let's play snowballs. How do you play snowballs? First, get snowballs from the snowman, then pass them to me. It's still too cold for me out there. Now come on in. Take your places at the window. Ready, set, go! Throw! Knocked off his hat. Pow! Hit him in the tummy. Missed. Throwing snowballs at a snowman. A really fun game for a snowy day. Brr! It's really cold outside. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when their friends come to help build a snowman. This book is a really bird story. I really want to fly to the moon. by Harriet Cipher, illustrated by Travis Foster. In this book, Really Bird and his friends want to fly to the moon. Let's find out if they really do. I'm Really Bird. I live in a big city park. They call me Really Bird because when I'm happy or sad or thirsty or scared, really happy or really scared or really thirsty. Get it? Today I really want to fly to the moon. Wow! Hurry up! I'm climbing as fast as I can. If you don't move faster, we'll never get there. This helmet is too hard to put on. It's too big. I'll help you. I'm really ready for this trip. I will turn on the switches. Click, click, click. What can I do? Target moon. Radar on. Look, I think they're really gonna fly to the moon. You can push buttons. Push all off buttons to on. Off, off, off. On, on, on. Done! Are you buckled up? Yes, buckled up. I will turn on the power. Power on. What can I do? You can read the map. The map says it's 341,000 miles to the moon. Wow! The controls say rockets ready to fire. I will fire the rockets. The rocket ship is noisy. I'm scared. Don't be scared. I'm a really good pilot. Everything is under control. Are you sure? I'm really scared. I'm not. Hold on. I'm going to press go. They're gonna blast off. Blast off. Away we go. Zoom, zoom away from Earth. We're heading for the moon. We'll be there in 3 days. I told you I was a good pilot. We're in space. We're traveling at 7 miles per second. Are we in outer space? No, we're in inner space. No jokes, please. We're in outer space. Are we in orbit? Yes, we are in orbit. When can I take a spacewalk? Later. Now we can watch out for asteroids. Are we there yet? No, we're not there. We have 2 more days left. Can I take a spacewalk now? Later. Now you can say hello to space junk. Look, a comet. It's chasing us. Or are we chasing it? Are we there yet? No, we're not there. We still have 1 more day. I'm ready to be there. I need to take off this helmet. I need to get out of the ship. I need to go to the bathroom. Don't be funny. There are no bathrooms on the moon. I think you should take a nap. Where? In the sleep station. Just float back there, climb into the sleeping bag, and tie the bag to the wall. I'll try it. I feel sick. Space sick. Stay cool. Astronauts get sick. Everything is spinning. I'm dizzy. Count the stars. It'll take your mind off the spinning. Are we there yet? No, but we're in the moon's orbit. We're slowing down. We're ready to land. We're landing on the moon.
Yay!
It's one small step for Pup and one giant leap for Cat. And a wish come true for Really Bird. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when they blast off to space. Thank you for reading with me.